Hi guys, so to start, I start off with the warm transition shade from the Morphe 25A palette. And you can use any transition shade, I just like using this one and I make sure everything is all well blended. Now I pick up Delete from the Urban Decay Nocturnal Shadow Box, which is a really dark brown. I like to use it. You could use the Anastasia brown eyeshadow in the Prism palette, but I do like using this one because it's really dark. Now I pick up Osiris in the Anastasia Prism palette, and this shadow did require building, but I did spray my brush and it helped a little bit. Then I take Parallel and Obsidian just to darken up the outer corner. And I do take that kind of in, but I do keep it lower. Now that I do the same exact thing on the other eye. And I make sure everything's very well blended. There was fallout on my face, but I just baked that all away. I'm just blending out any harsh lines that I see. I put my lashes on off camera. Let me know if y'all would like to see it on camera. Now I'm taking Pyramid and Obsidian just to do my lower lash, and I really like to smoke it out. And if you go too crazy in the lower lash line, you could just bake that away. I put some of Throne in the inner half of my lower lash line, but you don't really have to. It was just a little extra move. Now I'm taking Benefit Hula Bronzer and I'm just bronzing my cheeks. And I make a funny face doing it. Now I go in with a little bit of blush from Benefit, the California Pink Blush. I take the peachy shade from the Sleek palette, and it's not that blinding, but I wanted something more subtle. Since more attention is at the eyes, I didn't want to be too blinding. Now I spray the Mario Badescu spray just to seal everything in, and it's very refreshing and I love the way it feels. Since I'm not going anywhere, I'm not really setting it, more so hydrating. Now I'm taking the Benefit Punch Pop Lip Gloss in Pinkberry, and this lip gloss is really not goopy at all, so I really like it. And that's all guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye!